Easiest Kachin-style chicken. These are all the ingredients you need: ginger, garlic, shallot and Thai chili, Vietnamese coriander, basil, salt, monosodium glutamate. Pound into a paste. Add chicken into a bowl. Put the paste and massage it into the chicken. Use your hands for best results. Put a spoon of oil into a pan. Add your chicken and fry until they changed in color. Add water and cook for 20 minutes. I asked one of my Kachin friend for the recipe. It is usually drier, but I want to pour something on the rice. The taste is amazing. Definitely recommend trying.